Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create product of two numbers using Go or Golang programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers. If you are new with my channel, welcome. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. Right now we are here in the Visual Code editor, so we have here a comment. So product.go, because the Go programming language, one of its creator is Ken Thompson, so it resembles C programming language. So we have here a series of comments, and then we have here in line number 9 package main, and then line number 11 import formatting or library file. Just like in C, in line number 13 we have here the main function. The starting point of our program execution in Go. In line number 14 and 15, we have here three variables declaration. We have variable A, B, and product that all has a data type of integer. When we're talking about integer, it refers to positive, negative, and zero whole numbers. And then line number 17, new line, \n or escape sequence similar to C. So line number 18, product of two numbers, the title of our program. And then line number 19, we have here two new lines. And then from line number 20 to 23, we are asking the user to give first value and second value. The first one will be stored in our variable A, and then the second one will be stored in variable B. So this is the inputs. In line number 25, it will perform the multiplication of the value stored in variable A and B, which is stored in our variable product. Our variable product will act as an assignment statement here with the use of the symbol equals. After which, in line number 27, we have here new line, and then line number 28 will display the result, the product of %d and %ds, A, B, product. And then line number 30 to \n, new line, and then 31, end of the program, that informs the user that the program is already ended. And then line number 32 is two new line, and then we have also here curly bracket, right curly bracket to end the body. Just like this one, in line number 30 we have here the beginning. Now let us run our program here. Okay, so in the terminal window on our Visual Code, let us clear the screen. We can issue this command, go run product.go. Press the enter key. Product of two numbers, enter first value, let's say 8, and then enter the second value, let's say 9. The product of 8 and 9 is 72. End of program. Let us run again the program for the second time around. Let's say 4, first value, second value, let's say 6. So the product of 4 and 6 is 24. End of the program. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create product of two numbers using Go or Golang programming language. Thank you very much guys for watching. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Until to the next video tutorial, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial guys, bye bye for now.